Okay guys, on 23rd of March 2023. Now this is our plant of showy stone crop, or it is also called as Hylotelephium spectabile. Okay, it is a succulent plant, and you can see that it is a little bit a little bit related with that of calancho or fairy tale crassula. Okay, although it is a bit different. Okay, its leaf arrangement is a bit different than the calancho or crassulas. Now we will try to propagate it from stem cuttings. Okay, now we have taken our first stem cutting and we have to remove the lower leaves. Why this is so? Because when these leaves used to be in contact with the media or mud in which we are supposed to grow the plants, it can cause certain fungal rot. Okay, so it is better to remove the lower leaves. Okay, now we have taken one of our cutting and we have to place it in shade for about 3 to 4 days depending on the weather. And why it is so? Because okay, wait, on 8th of April 2023. Yeah, I'm saying that we have to place it in shade because we have to heal it out. We have to heal its wound. Now, you can see that we have taken our media and I have forceps in my hand and we are just going to put our cutting in it. Okay. So now we are pouring water and you can see how good the media drainage is. Okay, it has been drained out. You can see that the water oozes out from the bottom of the glass. And this is very good thing because succulents don't want to be reside inside mud or don't reside in water. Okay, so now we have placed our cutting inside this disposable glass in simple sand and simple garden soil mixture, that is 50% sand and 50% simple garden soil, and you should have to place it in shade. And on 11th of June 2023. Now after many weeks, okay, we can see that our cutting has started growing. Okay, and now, and one more thing that I used to make videos, okay, 3 parts of the videos, and then I used to dub my voice on it. Okay, it is just like a voiceover, so you will not see any change. Okay, now you can see that it has grown a lot of roots, that is, its root bowl is very good. Now we have to place it again in the, and we can see a lot of growth on stem side. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow the showy stone crop or Hylotelephium spectabile within simple garden soil and sand mixture. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.